Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Creative Hands by Shay. So in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to make a starfish coaster. So if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I hope that you will love this tutorial and other tutorials on my channel. To my regular viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for always being here, guys. So this is the hook that I will be using, and this is a 3.75mm crochet hook. I have my scissors and also my darning needle. So I will be using some leftover yarn to make this coaster. So this one is the Coboo, and it is 51% cotton and 49% rayon from bamboo. And it says it's a size 3 yarn. Recommended hook is a size 4. However, I am using a 3.75. I also have this in the pink as well. And I will be using this for the first part of, well, to make the starfish, and then this will be the outer layer. So guys, let's jump in the video. Guys, I went ahead and I changed my hook size to a 3.5 millimeter. I did that because I wanted a more tighter stitch. So to begin, we will start off by making a magic ring. So you can make your magic ring however comfortable you feel. This is the way how I make mine. So now that I have done so, I am going to go ahead and chain 3. Now that I have my chain 3, I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to go into the ring and I'm going to place 14 double crochet. So you should have a total of 15 at the end. Chain up 3 counts as your first double crochet. So continue to do this and I'll see you at the end of my 15 stitch. Guys, and now I have come to the end of making my 15 double crochets. Now I'm going to pull on my tail end. And I'm going to slip stitch into our chain of 3. So that's our first double crochet. Now you're going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now on the second chain from the one that is on the hook, you're going to place 1 single crochet. Into the next stitch, you're going to place 1 single crochet. Into the next 4 stitches, you're going to place 1/2 double crochets. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Into the next 3 stitches, you're going to place 1 double crochet. That's 1, 2, and 3. So now we have completed 1 point of a star. You're going to skip 1, 2, and slip stitch into the 3rd stitch. So there is 1 point completed. Now you're going to repeat the same thing. You're going to chain up 10. Just as we did before. Second chain from the one on the hook, single crochet. Into the next stitch, another single crochet. So that's 2 single crochet, followed by 4 half double crochet in separate stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Into the last 3 stitches, 1 double crochet. It's 1, 2, and 3. Skip 2, 1, 2 into the third, slip stitch, and repeat the same thing. So you're going to continue doing this all around. You should have a total of 5 points at the end. So I will see you there. So guys, now I have come to the end, and I'm just going to skip my last 2 and slip stitch into our last stitch here. Now we're going to chain 1 and fasten off. So our star is now completed. So now we're going to work on the outer part of the star. Okay, so now you can go to any one of these points. So what you're going to do is you are going to join, remember that first stitch that was on the hook, which is this that you're seeing here. So this part that is flapping over, that is our first stitch. So you're going to join your yarn there. And then into the next 2 stitches, you are going to place a single crochet. That's 1 and 2. Into the next 4 stitches, you're going to place half double crochet. One, 2, 3, and 4. Into the next 2 stitches, you're going to place 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Into the next 3 stitches, you are going to do 3 double crochets together. So you're going to go 1, you're not going to finish, yarn over, going to the next stitch, you're not going to finish, and then go into the next stitch here. So hope you can see that well. I'll just redo that. Yarn over, going to the next stitch. Now we have 4 loops on the hook. You're going to pull through all 3. Now you're going to go, so you're going to do like the reversed now. So you're going to do 2 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, and then 4 half double crochets. About that, guys. So we're doing half double crochets 4 times, and that is in separate stitches. So that's 2, 3, and 4, and then 2 single crochets. So that's 1 and 2. Just to redo that. Keeps going into the top stitch there. I'm just kind of, okay, and 2. So now we are back to where you have that little loop there, that is the stitch that was on the hook. You're gonna go into that stitch, and you're just gonna do a single crochet as well. And then you're gonna do your 2 single crochet on the other side. So this is how you're gonna do your stars each time you're starting it. The point of the star, I should say. So now you're gonna place 2 single crochet in separate stitches, and you're just repeating the same thing. And then 4 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then 2 double crochets. 1, 2, and then 3 double crochets together. So yarn over 1. You're not gonna finish. We're in the next stitch. 3 loops in the hook so far. Go into the next stitch. Now you have 4 loops in the hook, yarn over and pull through all 4. Now you're going to do the reverse again. So you're going to start off with 2 double crochets. 1, 2, 4 half double crochets. 2, 3, and 4, and then 2 single crochet. And remember, you will be single crocheting on the little loop part there that is at the tip of your star. So you're gonna just basically repeat this all the way around until you get back to the end, and I will see you there. So guys, and now I am back to where we had started off there, and what we're gonna do now is we are going to fasten off. Pull up on your yarn. So guys, now I have come to the end, and I'm just gonna fasten off, and this is the back of our coaster, and this is the right side of the coaster. So it is looking super cute. I love the color combination that I chose, and you can make this bigger, or you can make it in this size. You can do the measurement to see. I'm just gonna measure from this point to this point, and it is measuring 4.5, I should say. And if I should go here, it is measuring 4.5, so it will be 4.5 inches. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you were able to make one of these on your own. I do have the other tutorial on how I make the same star, and I turned it into an earring. So I hope that you like that as well, and don't forget to share this video and comment and like it, and also watch the ads please, so that this channel can grow. So guys, thank you so much for watching again. Until next time, bye.